Why isn't this working? Huh? Oh, ball. Okay, here we go. Ouch! Stitch, you're not supposed to be over here. Lilo, Stitch, my head. Oh, sorry, David. I know we're not supposed to be over here, but we got bored. It's okay. It was an accident. Are you done fixing the van yet? No, it's more complicated than you think. Stitch, help. Stitch, I don't think you can help with this one. Where's Nani anyway? Oh, she's coming. Lilo, Stitch, what did I tell you two about coming over here? David is busy with the camper van. How's it going fixing it up? It's progressing. It should be done by today, though. Well, we are leaving tomorrow on our camping trip. Should I reschedule? Oh, no, Nani, don't worry. It'll be done today. Okay, well, I can see there's no seats in the car. There's literally nothing inside. Or outside. This van needs a makeover. Makeover. Well, honestly, girls, I don't have time for a makeover for this van. If you all want to wash it and spruce it up, be my guest. Oh, can we, Nani? Can we? How about this? I got a quick run to the store and grab all of our supplies, and you and Stitch can work on the van. Did you hear that, Stitch? Makeover for the van. Over. All right, don't cause any more trouble and leave David alone. He's got to fix it. I'll see you later. Well, let me lower the van. Caboodle fans, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a makeover on this camper van, and Lilo and Stitch are going to help us. We're also going to fill it up with all of the camping items. Let's get started. So the camper van is pink with hints of purple. Let's get started on the outside. For that, we've got some stickers. We've got this pretty one with the sun and mountains. That's gonna go right here. Perfect spot. A smaller one on the front door. It gives it so much color. Now we're gonna turn it. Well, hello there, you two. We're gonna go down and add some lights. We've got these stickers. We're gonna put these in the front of the van. Here we go. We also need a license plate. It says BRB Camper. To add more color, let's add this grill in the front. The grill is used to cool the engine. Vroom, vroom. Oh, we need more lights up here. Oh, watch out, Lilo. There we go. Now, the other side. We need a sticker here. And that's about it. Let's do the back. Whoa. Cool, Stitch. There's a ladder. And it looks like a hose? Well, Lilo and Stitch, let's go ahead and find out. We're going to open this up. Ew, it's a bathroom. You are so right. Looks like we've got a toilet, a sink, and it looks like we could take a shower too. Let's put this way up here. Let's go ahead and add a mirror. In the bathroom, we have a spray, some lotion, towels. We're gonna put it right by the shower right here. Looks like the bathroom is complete. Raise the toilet and close this up. Let's not forget about the license plate in the back. Stitch, where are you going? On top of the camper. Let's go ahead and turn it. Stitch, come down before you get hurt. Okay. Now that we have the outside done, let's go ahead and do the inside. We've got a purple lock. Let's go ahead and unlock it. And now we can open it up. Wow, that is a big camper. You know what that means, Stitch. Lots of places to run around. Whoa, what's up there? This looks like the bed. It doesn't look like a bed. That's because we have to raise this up. Whoa, cool, a tent on top of the camper. Now we're gonna decorate the inside of the van. This place needs some color. We've got a window right here. Isn't this pretty? There's even a little bird. Let's go ahead and put this right here. Now we're going down. We've got this sticker, yummy. Look at all those donuts. And strawberries and other pastries. Oh my goodness, look at the salt and pepper shakers. They're bears. They're definitely gonna have the best breakfast. With food, of course, they need a table. Let's go ahead and pop the leg out and click this in. Perfect. Now they have a table that can fold and they can store away. But let's keep it down for now. Wait a minute, there are no seats in the front of the camper. Oh, we've got some turquoise ones. Let's go ahead and put them in. Perfect, now Lilo and Stitch have somewhere to sit. We also need to add a screen. It has the weather, the map, how many miles per hour they're going. What are we missing here? We're gonna install this bench. This can also go up or down. Let's go over here. This is kind of like the living area. We're gonna add a big TV. They can watch movies and also eat popcorn and candy. On this side, we're gonna add a telescope. We have some walkie-talkies, water, games. Here we go. I'm hungry. Me too. Well, it's a good thing the camper van comes with a grill. Let's go ahead and put this sticker right on here. We have a sink and a grill area. What would you two like to eat? I want a hamburger. Fish. Corn. I've got my hands full. Let's see what's in the fridge. Perfect. I've got some fish and some corn. Let's put both these on top of the grill. And Lilo wants a burger. Let's go ahead and make one for her. We're gonna go ahead and scoop out and make our buns. Pat it down. Here's the top. And then for the bottom, we're gonna put a little bit of this compound on the bottom here. The patty is brown. So let's go ahead and scoop that. All right, we're gonna put the patty on the bun. And then we need some cheese. Yellow is for the cheese. Let's go ahead and take that out, put it on top of our patty. We have a lot of cheese. And then we're gonna put the bun on top. Now we're going to close this and press. I think it's done. Let's open it up. Let's pull it out. Oh, look, it created sesame seeds on top. Let's put this burger on the tray. Lilo's is done. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter on the fish and the corn. And it looks like it's all done. Let's go ahead and grab our tongs. We're gonna grab our corn and our fish. We're gonna bring our food right over here. I have 2 purple plates and 2 blue cups for water. Lilo wanted the burger and Stitch wanted the fish and corn. Yummy! Stitch, you're probably gonna need a fork. Never mind. What about for dessert? I'm full. Me too. Looks like you two need a nap. Let's put you two way up here. Nighty night. Okay, looks like I'm all done. Oh, hey, David. Oh, hey, Nani. Wow, the van looks beautiful. So many colors. Plus, it looks like we've got plenty of seats and even a foldable table. I had nothing to do with it. You mean Lilo and Stitch did all of this? Pretty much. Where are they anyway? They should be around here somewhere. I know exactly where they are. Well, better be quiet. You know what they say. Waking a child is like poking a bear. Oh, is that what they say? Clearly you don't have any siblings or kids. Nani? David? Too late.